Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's TL27 and I'm back with another video. In today's video, you're gonna watch me install this T-part closure wig from Beauty Forever. I will leave all their links down below, and you're gonna see how I turned this wig into a bob because it was not a bob at first. So you're gonna see the transformation. I hope that y'all enjoy and keep on watching. Alright, so this wig is from Beauty Forever, and inside the packaging you get a headband, some lashes, and a wig cap. Then you get the wig. It's like a highlighted wig. It has the two stripes in the middle, and I thought that it was a fake scalp closure wig. Like, you see that little tan part? That's supposed to mimic the fake scalp, so you don't have to do a ball cap or anything, or even wear a cap. But I decided to cut that out because I wanted to bleach the knots, and as you can see, it looks way more natural with the knots bleached because they were not bleached before, and I plucked it a little bit. And as you can see right there, that is a T-part closure. I thought that it was a full-on like 4x4 closure, but no, it's a T-part closure. I didn't even know they made those, but as you can see, it's literally the shape of a T. Like, you only get that little bit of space, basically. Like, you can't do a zigzag part, you only can do a middle part. But anyways, I'm gonna treat it like it's a regular schmegular closure. I'm gonna, cut the little tabs off. You always want to do that with your closures. Cut the little tabs off right there because it makes it look more of like a frontal. It lays it down more. It's a little more flatter. I'm gonna continue on with installing my wig. I'm gonna use the Got2b Freeze Blast to adhere it. I didn't want to use any glue because I didn't plan on wearing it that long. And then after that, I'm gonna do my baby hairs. And when I have something else to say, I will be right back with y'all. I like to mix the Nairobi mousse with the Got2b to hold my baby hairs in place, but also it doesn't make them crunchy, so you just need a little bit of that Got2b gel, not too much. Alright, so at first I thought that I was gonna do some curls and I wanted to layer it, to give the curls some body and volume, but then I was like, no, I think I want to be different and do a bob, so I'm gonna decide that in a little bit. But after I do this, I decide to straighten the hair because when you straighten the hair, you have a better chance at getting an even bob. So that is a key tip. Make sure that you straighten your wig first before you go ahead and start chopping away. Okay, so I'm looking at a mirror to my side. That's why my head is turned. And as you can see, I'm kind of cutting at a diagonal angle. You want to cut at that angle, like especially when you're cutting a bob onto yourself. You don't want to cut it like blunt straight across. It's not going to look right. And I don't take off so much right away like I do. I build myself up to it, because once that hair is gone, it's not coming back. So you want to make sure that you don't cut off a chunk of the hair unless that's what you want. Don't cut off too much yet until you see how it looks on you. And then the final step, I'm going to bump the ends of the wig.
What's your name, POV? So they calling you Bob?
Alright guys, so this is how it's looking. It looks super cute. A major difference from how it looked before. I wish that I didn't cut layers into it, but when I had cut the layers, I thought that I was doing curls. So it's like a little piece that's cut off, but I mean, it's cute. It blends in, it's fine. But yeah, this is super cute. A total 360, because at first I was not feeling the wig because I've never worked with a T-part closure wig, so I was like, I don't know. And it actually came out very cute. This is so cute. I haven't had a bob in a while. But yeah, with a T-part closure, I didn't even know that they made those. I thought that it was just a T-part like frontal. I never knew that they made a closure out of it, because the closure is already limited to the space that you can have, but they make a T-part closure, so I guess like you don't have to have too much maintenance with it. It's a middle part regardless. You can't do like a zigzag or a curve part. It's a middle part, and this is super cute and it's simple. A quick throw on wig. So I hope that y'all enjoyed this video. Y'all found it helpful in a way, because I showed y'all how to cut a bob on my head. I know that can be a little difficult. It definitely does help to straighten your hair before you cut a bob. I learned that trick from someone and it's true. Definitely straighten a wig first before you cut it. Like, do not cut it when it's wavy or in a body wave state. Make sure that the wig is straight. So with that being said, I will leave all of the hair details down below. This wig is from Beauty Forever, and if you are interested in it, like I said, all the links will be left for it down below. Do not forget to follow me on all my social media platforms. I will link that down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you are new here. I'm so close to 1K, so like and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.